What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are kicking off a brand new series, Super Useful Websites You Didn't Know Existed, Part 1. First up on the list is a website that will save you thousands on coding courses. You are going to want to head straight over to Coditech. Just pick the exact programming language you want to learn. Instead of sitting through hours of boring lectures, click on Start Section and boom, you unlock a step-by-step roadmap. You can start building your development skills right now, at your own pace. Moving on to website number 2, Luexen. This is the ultimate free platform to learn languages like English, Spanish, and Portuguese. Simply choose your target language and click Start the course. When you select a phrase, it instantly provides the translation, clear audio pronunciation, and helpful
Buenas
visual
noches.
illustrations. It makes learning
Hasta
a new
luego.
language incredibly easy and visual. Website number 3 is WeLib, a complete paradise for book lovers. This platform lets you easily find your favorite books and look up top authors in seconds. Instead of paying for expensive ebooks, it provides just find what you want to read, click the link, and download it straight to your phone or laptop. It is the ultimate way to build your digital library for free. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.